So I thought a lot about what kind of a video I should make for you guys, and I thought that oftentimes we're in such a hurry that we have no time to do our makeup, and not all of us are blessed with perfect flawless skin. So in that case, I thought that we could do a very simple barefaced look, but also very fresh and requires just 5 minutes of your time. So yeah. So I've moisturized my face, I put my sunscreen and a lip balm. I'm gonna start with concealing. So I recently had a bout of acne, so I have some acne scars. So I'm gonna just loosely, roughly put on a little bit of concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 30, which is Honey. And I take a small stippling brush and just stipple. One of the makeup artists that I work with taught me that when you stipple in circular motions, the concealer sits better and it doesn't look cakey. So just in small strokes. Yeah. Bombay weather has suddenly become so hot, guys. Again, it's very humid. I was enjoying the little bit of cold weather, the breeze that we had. And just whatever's left over, guys, on the brush, just put it on your eyelids. Right? And since this is a very minimal barefaced look, we don't have to do too much of concealing or too much of coverage. I mean, it's up to you. You could use a high coverage concealer. I don't prefer it. We'll go back to my favorite palette, and I'm going to be using this shade and this shade. This is very pink, this is very beige, so I'm going to be mixing these two shades for you guys. I'm just going to put it over my eyelid. This is very nude, the look is very nude, so keep it as minimalistic as possible. So it looks like we have makeup on, but very little. And the idea is to finish the look under 5 minutes. You can just roughly put it around your on your lower lash line, but very roughly. You can skip this step if you want to. Okay, since I'm explaining it to you guys, the video will last a little longer than 5 minutes, but when you start doing it, it won't even take 5 minutes, guys. Okay, then my favorite Benetint. As I've mentioned before, I love my blush, but we're just gonna go for a very light, rosy cheeks kind of a look. Yeah, just looks like we have flushed cheeks. I also like using this very much, guys. It's a powder foundation by Shiseido. I used it in my last video also, just to sort of set any remaining marks or whatever. And finally, oh, not finally, we still have 3 more steps left. This is a brow gel by Anastasia. The transparent brow gel. I don't like my eyebrows to be too done up, but if you like nice tattooed brows, you can do that also. It makes a lot of difference to some people. And finally, the mascara. No, still not finally, we have one more step to go. This is Lash Paradise, Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. It's one of my favorite mascaras, but the only problem is it's very hard to remove. It has fibers on it, so makes your lashes extra long and thick. just a little bit on the lower lash line, since the idea is to not look too made up. And now we go into the actual last step, which is lipstick. This is my favorite. I just bought it. Sugar. The shade is Holly Golightly, shade number 4. It's a very nice nudish pink. Just a touch of lipstick. You can put gloss if you want to, you can avoid it if you want. I'm using this one by Clarins. And I think we're ready. Let me know what you think of this look, guys, and do send me your recommendations or your requests on what kind of videos you'd like to see. I think in the next video I will share my skincare routine with you guys. I hope you liked it. Thank you.